What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, King Donor them go on with a piece of something. I have to share that with Uno. Bunch of things go on. I know say them create a bunch of enemies. And I know say enough of them people here come back for them. You see me? Also my people, Pretti Dan get exposed. You know what I mean? It look like say Pretti Dan see the card cleaning and go on and say, oh, she want to be a part of it because everybody I get rich up on TikTok, so why not she? You see me? She's a public social media figure too. You know what I mean? We have Shibada talk about it. You see it? And we also have Kiki and Rosealee with a back and forth, my people. You see me? I say share. Me I go share that with Uno. We also have Kai. Me did have this from yesterday for share with Uno. You know Kyla, the girl Popcorn X and Ray. You know that girl? Eh? She and Ivany, I know my people. So she have some things to say about Ivany. I go share that with Uno. And me remember the rest. So make we get in at the people.
Match, you're doing easy because let's see you, me tell you, me talk my mind. Girl, you come on live yesterday, girl, me are the most loyal person because Jayden no loyal to you more than me, no, and me and you know that. Yeah. And me hear you say, me no, you ever see me on live with people I bring you down yet?
You never dey on live with Ride or Die?
Me dey on what me say about you?
No, so you're not never dey on the live, Kim.
What me say about you?
No,
what you mean by
live?
Say, you know when me up on Ride or Die live, I want girl come up on the live and say, where Kim can share a friend, me say, don't mix me because she a ticket to our box, fi tell Raja, fi post video with me and Raja no a share no need deep in herself say, and me no video out there. First of all, me that never do that to you, girl.
No, but wait now. When my ticket in the box, ticket coming in the box and say, I must say, I'm going to go back to my match. Me care about you.
No, but Shane, listen to me.
No, is that
listen
question?
To me I stay. Listen to me I stay.
Like I care about you and ticket them because Kim, every one of them and you and them cuss you go back go talk back.
Me and them and a girl are different motive. Me been tell her that say me and none of them. When last you see me and them go live? Be honest.
Kim, you and them not have to go live for me see them. You and them are friend.
Me and them are not friend. Me and them is not friend, girl. Me not know these people offline. Me not friend with them offline.
Kim, you are
girl, me and them is no friend. First of all, me and them and kick the bucket, and because of you come buy out your argument. Me and me see them kick the bucket, and because of you, girl, the amount of back when me fight on TikTok. Don't come talk so now.
You put me in a wall in battle wall with blood clad people.
Oh, me put in a battle wall.
Because if you make me a vanity comes from the life, the blood clad. You see, come to the life right just about blood clad buckle. Fella, come back for
Jay, be honest. Enough time people come up on my live. I want to bring you down and defend you.
Listen, it's Wally Pabati while you put me up on the live.
So evil, alright. So evil that. So evil that. Shay, TikTok and everybody and nobody not chat. So evil that. What makes you start behave so with me?
Listen,
listen. Yeah.
Listen up, the same energy where everybody gives me.
Girl, me never give you no energy. Me always nice to you and laugh to you. You first start give me energy, girl.
Kim, ask anybody in the live.
Shay, I swear upon my mother life, the amount of people call my phone, even Ranka call my phone and say, Kim, I make you up on live with Shay. You know, so Shay, I deal with you. I'm say, to be honest, me not girl, you're up on the live, and you say some things to me, girl, and them something, I have your eye, I have your up here, so Shay. I have your up here, so. That's right. You notice if from where there you don't see me go live, I don't click my.
Can't bother with right here, so. You alone a blood clot talk and nobody else can get for talk. What the fuck? This same energy wanna go me at that me tell you already. You never hear. Me tell you already. Me not want no nothing. This same energy wanna give me at that me a go no too. Me not want nothing. On a death. What's the blood clot? Death say that's something there right now. You're going at the page. Same energy you give me and that me a go now. Me never tell you that. You did deaf. You never hear.
You know what a different shape on that. And she really sit down and watch a thinking earth in her eyes and thinking that the family. Come in my hand in back the shade. Where you gone? Let's go to Belgium.
Him never hear what me say the same energy. there on live, him add Vani, him add Sky, him add everybody on the live for me and them throw down because you love bagga mix up.
Yeah.
And the same energy me a keep or you keep. You add rider that you not sit down on live or not chat. I see a thing me I do. So if my ticky in my box and ticky a class, so what the fuck you mad for? Why are you mad?
And that's where you come from.
And that's what me a talk about. What you mad for?
Oh. So you show me, sorry, bitch. You show me feeling to the like with all of my enemy them do. I mean, do you nothing, shit? Yeah, me not do you nothing. But I even know say Kim walk and fight for your shit. Come here now.
Fight for who? Oh, fight for me. Oh.
Oh, yo. Thank you very much, Daddy.
No, fight for me. Oh, fight for me. Oh.
You know me like don't speak.
No, fight for me. Oh.
Just sit up on the light.
No, fight for me. Oh, you fight for me because me have much edge energy. I said fight for me because everything what you do.
Sit up on the light and defend you.
What?
Enough to the whites, enough to them sit up on the light and defend you. Don't let me say it again. Come in have no more action.
Boy, I'm tired.
The only reason I'm coming over here to talk to Shibada. That is the only reason why I'm coming over here.
Him say me a clean care. Make him cuss and say me a clean care. That not enough. So all these time you never know.
Me tell you say you are clean, kid. You want to be the top behind your back, shit.
Me not talk about blood clot. Shut up.
So when the scared cleaning argument come up again, say you have me on me attack, you have me up, say. Say no one when me just to you never sit well with your shit. You want to be there and say you are clean, kid.
I want to talk to you. I want to talk to blood clot you.
My people, you see Kim King, you know what I noticed with Kim King? Kim King want to act like he is like a cut above the rest. You see me I say he want to act like indifferent and certain things him rare. But when me check it, he's just like everybody else. You know what I mean? Mix up bagga and love the limelight. You see me? Make me know what to think.
Who I talk to you?
Which one of them will be the evil?
I made this shade, this Shibada, and then she said, Shibada this shade. Be this Shibada this shade in her face, and she don't even realize.
Shibada have your secret. If you have secret for me, hello? Please, if you have secret for me, I'll pay you for keeping.
Girl, I saw you behave like Shibada have secret fear. You afraid of Shibada? Don't take out your problem then, for me, girl. Go class with Raja and go class Shibada we are playing on your face.
This so everybody has secret for everybody fire.
Me not no secret, you know. Me not no secret. You not no secret for me. Cause me not no secret. Me not no secret. And I look at the Batman and can tell like for me. Me not no secret, you know. But to all your behavior make it seem like so Shibada have secret for you.
He's for checking temperature. What can defend me my internet? The same thing for your blood clot.
Girls, don't tell no bumble ass clock like I be a player you playing on my face. I be a player you playing on my face.
Yes, girl.
Shibada go suck out your mother times 1,000. Big old Shibada. Go suck your mama times 1,000.
King cause what say nasty. Anything you say King Allah.
Shibada don't blood clot call me name cause you want this shit and pussy hole. I be this and this shit and she laugh like she a puppy show.
You know what the blood clot?
Girl, me and you not go do the back and forth. You not go see. She, you know me fuck with you in a real life, you know. That's why you hurt me, you know, girl. I'm not gonna come on the internet, come do this video where you want. Cause remember you start work on TikTok now, I'm not work on you. I'm not gonna go the back and forth with you, you understand me? Don't tell a blood, only not tell a lie upon me. I say Fren start make blood clot money share at different. Do not tell a lie upon me.
Who is going to beat me? No, who beat me?
Go beat me.
Don't make them tell them go beat me.
No, who go beat me? Who go beat me?
When come and say section I tell you, me say you clean
just
card.
ask you, who
Me
is
say
going
when
to
you
beat
start
me for
rank,
it?
you start move different. That
Who
me
is
say.
going to beat me for it? It's just
what?
a small question. Who
To
is
what?
going to beat me from it?
To what?
Who is going to beat me? Yes, sir, from start clean card, me start that different. Who gonna beat me?
Same say for you start wrong.
Derry, me not play no game, bro. Stop
Girl, why you
me not play no
when you
game.
come see clean card a serious allegation, why would I fucking say Shay, you don't know who real with you? You don't blood clot know who
me not
real
know
with
when
you.
nobody real to
Because you have blood clot, Shibada over there playing in your face. Shibada playing in your woman's face.
What kind of secret
Fake
Shibada have
bumbo
for
class,
me?
Shay, you can't call me fake, girl.
What
Everybody
kind of
fake you
secret
except me.
Shibada have for
You
me?
can't call me blood clot
Which
fake, I'm not
secret
playing in your
Shibada
face.
have for me? Which secret?
Ask him.
We
cause
see
me
a
no
you
clot, me.
set.
Play
A
upon
you
him, me no
set.
know, ask him.
Are you set?
Ask him, me no know, ask
Not
him.
a secret for me. Which secret him have for me?
Ask him, cause him deal with you like a dog. Ask him.
Him deal with me like that.
Friend like how Shibada deal with you. I mean, why you come tell me about I done joke? Cause that time I
Him
done
deal with
joke.
me like that.
Girl, you just walk and hurt people, girl. When people look
No,
on you,
him
hurt.
deal with me like
Shame, me tell you
that.
already, you know,
Him deal
say.
with me like that.
Shame, me tell you already, you know, say.
That's
Man, I go back and forth today, you know, cause I love you in a real life, you know, so man, I do this today by
Tell me
internet,
how
you
him
know.
deal with me like that.
Girl,
Tell me
Shibada this
explain.
you. You want glasses, you blood clots. She said Shibada this you, girl. You want glasses? You blind?
Right.
You blind?
I rather Shibada this start than you.
Okay. Me understand. So Shibada ever
I'm
this me no
Queenie
want
have
a friend
sense. I
like
be a this Shibada blood clot this shit in her face and be in her face. Be a blood clot this Shibada inside. And she come laugh up with blood clot Shibada and call me hypocrite and fake.
Okay. Oh, low it.
Shibada go suck out your blood clot big one mama. Suck with Shibada. Shibada you can't class the big one girl. You can't class me Shibada. Shibada with AIDS and your mouth your blood clot belly. You can't class me. Shibada with drunk rap pitching at your blood clot mouth can. You can't class me. Suck with girl. Dirty hole Shibada. Shibada with no batty hole. Move your blood clot and with dirty hole Shibada. You can't class me. Big old girl, you can't class with dirty Shibada.
Boy, be a young boy want me king.
No, you want you want come like elastic but no blood clot Shibada. Shibada at night now, when your blood clot out. Shibada go out in your house at night now. So good Batman at night now, go out in your house. Unsuccessful, incompetent drunker, go out in your house. Incompetent or go out in your blood clot house. Party at years and misery, go in your blood clot house. Night nurse, go out in your house. Mosquito fly in your house now at night now. Mosquito fly in your blood clot house now. Erin Pratt, go on inside. Shibada, go on inside. I mean, right back pitch by your blood clot. Go suck your mama and wet. They can't class with dirty girl. Go on in your blood clot house, dirty one Shibada. I did this blood clot girl in her face and she got like such an idiot. That's why I know. Hey, don't come talk to me. Shut up, don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I be a Shibada this yo. Class him, class him,
Every time him step on the line, more over the years.
Stop going like you idiot. Me see that comment section and laugh. You a blood clot idiot.
Keep you coming like
Queen
you
have big degree, voila. Queen have degree. I be a big Shibada this year. I use it as satire and sarcasm. I'm gonna keep me ironic. I be a this in this year.
Yes.
You not look for you now. Cause who you have strength for, you not have strength for them. Oh.
Come and understand what you mean by him have secret for me. And every time
I saw you behave, girl. I saw you behave like
so
you're feeling Shibada. What Shibada have to say about you? Tell me now. Tell me. Can you come and call me? Can make your comment section about this me? Chat, mama mute her look. Come on and say me cause my truth.
People, you know, so I always appreciate there is something with this TikTok gifting. It never just normal. So, because me I say, how can a person get up every day and dip in at them hard working money and just give people so every day. Some of them people here have a gifter where it's like them call upon them right through every time them their life and them come gift them. You see me I say them I say enough of the people them a nurse and them something there. How can this person find so much money if he give you every time? So universe lie and them something there. Me always think, yo, there's something with this, you know. No, it a bust out, say them a clean card. And my people, let me tell you, are the people them when get none of the money, the card cleaning money, and them a expose the thing. Because the people them where I get the money, definitely them expose that. You see me I say, oh them fi mash up them own little thing. You mad? Make me know what to think, my people. Make me watch some more.
But I'm sitting there now, I'm in this. Shay, when me and Shay go live, I sit up on live with Shay. We say we not rank, we talk. We build a look band, to be honest. Cause I rate Shay, I love Shay, but I see Shay I'm out sideways, so I avoid her from where they. I don't have time for class, Shay. I'm straightforward, I'm not afraid of Shay. Shay can't scream and me can't scream. To Shay knows I'm not afraid of her. Shay can't deal with me certain way for too long cause me I go bust it. At the end of the day, Shay don't like Jayden and me and Shay a friend, and me and Shay know say she don't like Jayden, so me not care. Me love Shay, no shade, me not go hide my feelings. Me love Shay, Shay can't stand Jayden. Cause to be honest, you afraid of Shay, and I thought this. To be honest, Shay don't like Jayden like myself. I can't stand Jayden neither. But at the end of the day, she say him teacher have to play hypocrite, so she have to do it. Near there. And I say go Shay, we have to play hypocrite for them. No say game go. No say the blood clot game go. That's how the game go.
Put me in a batty one and mix up with people. You ever had me on the live with people and me and people are go. So what you talking about?
But you're too wicked. Move your blood clot and go so TikTok go. You can't tell me about TikTok, this girl. You don't know who loyalty. At the end of the day, I'm alone you have over here. I'm alone, you don't have nobody else over here and Queen in auto. You don't have nobody else over here. Come and ride with you and work. That's why anytime screener calling come up, people say, Shay and Kim, my friend, because Kim ever blood clot by top for Shay.
Kim, I don't care nobody wants to say that's a them problem.
Every time me and Shay up on live, I'm a mute again because you chat too much.
My auntie
when the people them come in my comment section, my class them, on the low my blood clot sister, moderator, black, a big old girl, there are some deal with them for Shay. And the girl come play hypocrite in my face, me and Raja cuss Shay, Raja over there class me. I don't have nobody a class Shay and sit down there, me and run them and say, man I go stay here so with their class Shay, you know. Me see great drag me through the mud because of Shay. Sky Diamond drag me. You see? Me remember when Nicki Minaj and the whole internet turned down for Shay. Me not see no Raja, me not see Shibada, me not see none of them. All pretty that come in her box this morning, them done her like a gun over here. Them done her like a gun and she feels so bad. And me said, no, me not like this. Because at the end of the day, them a give her a basket for carry water. She say, Shay come, me live to come see say Shay. So that's why I say, me done with the internet. And Shay, me come live now, you know, because she hurt me. And she make me come live, you know, girl. About a week now, me not come live and do this, you know, and up on a box with nobody and them, something there, you know. Because me tell myself, say, me not do this till 2026 and me not chat no mix up on them, something there. Me a recruit blood clot eaters. Yeah. Me can't unhappy. How me for unhappy I'm rich. I have beer money and I have man will give me money. So how me for unhappy? You never see me a beg yet? Go suck on no matter. Me don't want no money from you. Come suck out me.
But I will only pack here that clean panda. I'm coming on tomorrow and come back on this. And I'm pretty that I confess, oh, she's a clean cat. I tell her this way, come and short patch. Yeah, what a way the cat, them are clean rapid and drastically. So come here now. Then what a way, somebody add Shay for me. Somebody add Shay. Yeah. Good night, me can get some dinner, auntie. Big goal, if me not cook Christmas Day, I think me go cook today. I want KFC where me a butter with from last month. I eat my put up and at up. Lord, it tight. Lord, it tight when me done. And the breast did leave, you know. When me done eat the breast, me now like me feel like me do my face. Nobody couldn't tell me say me not do Botox. Me say the meat tight, that for make insole and belt. I with KFC, I do them not steam them chicken properly, you know. Me say it can't even last long. Me say my little drab one area, so come let me buy earphone. It puff. Me say them two sides are big, so you know think me I buy earphone, my love. Me I big beats. Yeah. You think I joke? Huh? The friends, them, me never challenge them there, you know. Cause them now don't show a ridiculous, them want to give them to Annie. Cause she ever have something in her jawbone. A long time, Annie has so good too, you know, cause Annie jawbone can't stay empty. She's supposed to have a wide down here, so Annie mouth can't look small, you know, but anything she has so like big like snake. Yes, my love. Me not want to joke. Then what are we Fabi have business? Come here now. Then you mean to say from handsome gunman promise we say him have film business where him have to maintain and control. He make Fabi come and then Fabi put on all heap of weight from she left Jayden, you know. From Fabi walk out of Jayden life and him alien Optimus Prime cocky. Fabi put on weight, she had away big jeans pants. I think of Albert, you know, I don't want to say fat, but I think of Albert. Yes, I have a delivery business, people. So anything on the one deliver for the people them husband. Call Fabi. Yeah, you will see the pump on a bike. Beep beep. Beep beep beep. Yeah. Sky Queen, big up yourself. Joycelyn in card. Then put that big nose to the open, it's stand up in you, that's why you lay down in a bed like your bedroom, like something wrong with your lower part, something wrong with your two side. Your 2 for 1 and somebody I play with the 2 for 1. Tell them the truth no way God love. Then put it and really that means so they can't go off and not know where them step on the app. I tell you this I pay a fairy tale upon the internet. I own alone with the internet still, so I not look for 1 or 2 times can my foot one wash. I may have to consider for go be in a cold time now. Then what a waste New York full of snow she and I pay immigrant up there. And Donald Trump him promised the people them say I give them $1,000 to come home and the people that come out back at Jamaica don't get the $1,000. Donald Trump scam, you know. That's why I don't blame Jayden for prank, you know. I can't blame Jayden for do the things them him do. I just can't blame the little boy. I don't know how him do it, but him do it. Yeah, sometimes it make me worry though, concern and fright. Yeah, back to the matter of the car cleaning. Then Shay, you know, somebody had Shay for me now. We never thought this from Shay a spar with Jayden. She start look different from she start cleaning the car. She collect for her $20 after every morning. She collect for her $20. That means that she come here and come here, so you leave a message and I say, you know, the people that might throw shades on you. As some see one screen record, I put it up. But she, you know, say me not throw shades, me just ask you the red cash, so me hear, so I buy it and so I sell it and me don't make profit off it. It's not like you have a whole heap of people that follow you, me can't hustle something. So you know, say me not throw shades, any argument at all with me hear. Remember them I walk with their name. Remember them I walk with their name shade, the same way I walk for everybody life. Remember them I walk, what you mean say me throw shades off for your shade? I walk in and argue, somebody had shade for me now, come in and want to know what say me say. Money is bad charger, coming a bad charger forward.
Alright my people, so make we wait to Shay come on and what she gonna say about this car cleaning thing. You know what I mean? Cause it come like the popular thing right now. It look like a long time it go on, but it bust out, you know. And everybody are trying to get involved, or everybody was always involved, almost everybody may I say, because the people them wanna involve and them a bust it up. So make we watch some more people.
But charge of power, we are take on the run. Yeah? You know what? Yeah. Yeah. Me don't want nobody to walk with my name and say, we Shady. Somebody reach out to Shay for me now, please. Come in nervous in my other trim, girl. I'm coming for dinner, auntie. What time? Can you say me I keep beach strip? Or what time I walk? Or what time I put up? You hear me I keep beach strip though. I don't want class in a even. Yeah, somebody had shade for me now. Somebody wake up, shade. If you can't get shade, get jayden. Cause me know nobody care my name. Come on, go on your bed, I go clean out that shade and leave me alone. I go beat flowers. Leave me alone. Somebody had shade for me. Cause me don't want to carry my name. Yeah, cause after King run up in a shade business, you know, me hear the message sent to me. No, lot of them stand up in my neck, them beat me. Yeah. Jayden is busy with his new girl. Jayden don't want no woman, Jayden want me. I mean, Jayden want me. Jayden want lace with the Optimus Prime khaki. Jayden don't want no woman, my love. Not tell me no Merry Christmas, Kumar. Me a Jova witness. Oh. Not tell me no Merry Christmas. Where you there? Where you there? Oh. Don't tell me no Merry Christmas. Hey, auntie, good night. Night. You're too polite for me. Gangsta granny! What bench, gangsta granny? Me in a mix up here, so somebody had shade for me. I jayden. Some actor, I'll tell you not at Raja, but him a play hypocrite. Somebody do that acting for me now. Eh? Somebody do that acting for me. Cause me not like where I go on. Cause right you know, me da drink a pint of milk. Me not like where I go on for show, man. Cause only pa car that clean. And when me tell you say she a clean car, don't believe me. Me not tell you say from she start spar with Jayden, him start defend triple. She start defend triple. Me not tell you all of that. And no somebody pinch me and say look like she upon number one. And true somebody look and tell me now, man, how far she upon the podium. When now look and tell me the things. You know me can't stomach someone up on my life. When for go away, man. Someone up on my life for go away. Come on, ask the girl this, you know. Come in the one to say me say. When can't carry news, you know. When can't carry news. Cause when I got a line me and tell me say, Jayden come here. Then from the time me and Jayden then the bus me on no link. Jayden they make all she start to hear. She start look all refined. Me say things can't happen fair in a GFC. I was there for GX. I see why she did have up Jakes. Cause Jakes bust before her. She come here, come in what you say all of the people that might throw shades off. You little bit of mix up to she, but people that throw shades off for you. Eh? After you gone with Britney money, nobody know for shade you. Move your nasty corruption, blood finger. I want to use shade. And you come tell me like about Volvo still have your dear work. She a whole heap of wicked me, a whole heap of wicked. Because somebody call Shayna, man. You can't take a mix up, you know. Somebody call Shay. I want to ask her face to face. Shay for come on for a program. That bitch no come on, you know. You know, say I see why Sky Diamond class or so. You know, I was going to call Sky Diamond for Shay, but I'm not bothering. I'm not bother worrying. Let's do this. If I ever get up again, you see. Somebody had shade for me now. Come in and like chat behind girl back, you know. Last time I do that, a girl give me a no click. Yeah. So from there, so I never bother practice it. Where's Shady? Sharon Wagwan. Every time I hear you, I remember the song say Sharon not pregnant. Your other song they make me not breathe, you know. Sharon not pregnant, you're pregnant. No, mama, come can't breathe about that tell lie. Me don't want my baby come out as a thief. Yeah. Read. Me I read. What did they for read? No, they did for read, my love. Not that thing they did for read, cause me I read. Yeah. Me not say nothing they did for read. What must I read? I'm trying to read. I'm trying to read, but you're not giving me a chance to read. What must I read right on the road? I know I don't say nothing. Me not see nothing for real. All the people and this is say, I'm saying yes, I'm reading. I pretty than the panties with more card for clean. And that my for read. Then pretty than you really did that thief money and then you come across and come with a book. Pretty than how they had D money. Come here pretty than because we don't talk about your dog shit, you know. All you had the Dennis Way, Sky Diamond the advice note from. Then auntie who drape you up some big cocky man. You know have no boy you drape you up so you know remember you walk and dash money per man. Remember you buy when I want you. Oh man can't always drape me up. Me look sleep up like body did a beat me though because boy happy to lay down with me so me can't come out with my crush face because me in a shit. Me in a shit. Me don't know what I say going on my baby but me in a shit that's all me need to know. So when you ask me who drape me up, I'm more than you. I'm more than you like crazy. Oh, I'm more than you. What you say? But me look little bit sleep up for you. Honestly to God, me look little bit. Me look crush. The truth hurts, you know. Hey, big hole again, you know say the truth hurts. The truth hurts, man. You never for come to me. You caught me off guard. Bitch, you score. Yeah. Yes.
People, you know one thing we get to understand on TikTok, say nobody I know your friend, and never you feel like say yo anybody are your friend. You know why? Because all the time when something busts out, there is some voice note to play. Why? You see me I say, and that kind of make me a pray the whole thing where them I say these people plan things and come fool with them with it. You see me I say, because all the time there is some kind of voice note. You know what I mean? So look like say then just plan it, get the voice note, give the person come make it look like say a show. You know me? You know me I say my people. So me don't know if you believe. That's why I take this TikTok thing out with a grain of salt. Me just take it for entertainment and that's it. Me no invest myself in it. So let me know what you think, me go watch some more.
Score, you win. The truth hurts. Make it the one then. As a program I done my black here. We hear the one then. I cost me a while ago and see how I look here. And this side say I really can't fight that one here. Achoo. Yeah, achoo. You win. Yeah, you got me. You got me when I wasn't looking. Yeah. Yeah, man. My, what want to go water? Yeah. No, black me, I joke me, my baby. I show you flat my show, man. I show you flat my show, you know? Yeah. Yeah, back to the car clean and pretty than for me now. Then you know, say you have khaki and pum underneath you and you are walking at TV. You know, say God give you two. I mean, but everybody I get one, God give you two gift them. You can't swing them in somebody hole, could have vagina hole, or body hole, or throat hole. You can't fling them in somebody hole. Then pretty than you do you really know say you're mama old and Arab old people. Yeah? Tell me truth now, pretty than from the days after bitter, you know. You know say una real demon. If you say pretty than get up every day and class people and chat and some gunman them and taco and some gunman them and thief and taco and some gunman them this and taco and some and you really need to say everything where and some gunman them I do. You agree to? You owe them an apology.
And I say, if you address Shibada, some say address Shibada say
what? You say? When the address the channel would we drop out time all?
Me said to him, so me fi address Shibada when I was over the live. Me say you too mix up. You know, mix up too much. Yeah, because
no, you're cussing them fear, you know.
No, remember somebody over the live when you did that talk the day. Remember
I remember which live I remember which live because you're busy.
Me did over the live when you asked. I'm sending the something my yourself. Shayna send my blood clot, not know with your card clean. Me clean that card for myself.
Oh, I guess so. She say you know.
Yes.
You know the customer can give it to.
No. Me not clean card. You never let me finish. Me said no, me no clean card.
Coach adjourn. Moving right along to Skydive, man.
Thank you, baby.
Moving right along to Skydive, man.
Which result now them at about?
Me see my HIV results.
We do.
Yeah, Skydive and have it a show. Me no know but you and Nara cause. So I have it to say your HIV result. So tell me for your man HIV result.
But everybody have AIDS for them. Now so them bits about everybody fire.
Them never say yet about me do one thing do them never yet. It's all
Rosealee class
don't even say no to your mouth. Don't even say no to your mouth.
Rosealee class
Hey girl, shut up.
move your blood
I
class.
won't block you.
Boy, me will block your back. Them
won't
classes they move.
Mr. Shane, come here now. Me I say you can't get her money off her because she come up with a report with proof like evidence.
But how will she get that from? Cause I make sure make it.
That's why we need to get to the bottom of this because you don't look like you have AIDS, Shane.
Me not, what if you stay and get it? How long me have it? It show it?
Then Shane, me not understand how AIDS come in because first them say AIDS come like me. No, all of a sudden AIDS come like you. So me not like AIDS for pick a struggle.
Right. So how AIDS look?
No,
We don't know.
me know why you come here, big one. Me not come here for help. If the girl say you have AIDS, you have AIDS.
Right.
Them and say you have AIDS, you have AIDS. Me never come here say about how AIDS look. Cause when them did a talk about me, you never jump up and say no, you run behind Jayden. You know Jayden look like him walk and itch AIDS.
No. When them be talks about you though, see a screen record what me say. Me know she bad a long time. I mean never you force me, I fish force me here say you have AIDS. I mean
Me not hear no screen record, you just a tell me what the screen record now. So me listen.
I've been saying it big wall.
Okay. But say come here, Jayden look like him a bit though.
Avoir.
It.
Him can't get fat, that time problem.
Why you know on the medical record are you a Jayden mother? No, shame. Yeah, push the envelope, you know. Yeah, take this thing out and no.
Where you go for? Where really go for? Where you going for?
I just 2 months, she no Jayden fam.
Yeah.
And she gone in the boy medical record.
I say go. You don't want me in there.
What you doing there? Then what's the way Queen she lose one heap of weight? I feel safe true Skydive man attack.
Say what?
But the aunt Ada. That Queen just has sucked down so from the other day like she had Jack at work and Jack come. She had warm up for the camouflage.
Yes.
Me know so she's going to the army, you know. You know, me know so she's going to the army.
You know you love that's why I can't tell you my business.
Shay, come here. Shay.
Nah, but I go.
Let you know but I go just because of blood clot, yo.
Come here, where's about business? Me I come to Queen. Where's about business?
I can't tell you my business.
Alright my people, let me know what you guys think. Make we watch some more and then we are gonna move on to the next.
Come and tell you one something upon the live and you gonna tell every blood clot body.
Then Shay, come here. Then you think me could I really take up my sleeping time and promote your business when Dawn is just a phone call away? Remember Dawn with your business?
Everybody's supposed to blood clot win. Make them win.
Remember Dawn know your business. No, you don't care about what we know because you're busy at work with Jayden.
No,
so
you're busy, but busy
you don't care about enough, yeah. Shay, you know how me say you're clean card? When me see her defend Rosealee and Triple, me say my friend dying in Illuminati.
No, come here now. So get me.
She don't call me.
Them a tell us I'm going on podium. Them not tell us I'm going out today.
Yes, I saw me ear there.
Yes! One again, yes!
Shay, come here, imagine. Me and you come on the internet together, you get a boss. Are you not give me a boss?
You want the 5 bills?
No, me don't have like this more than 2 clients.
No, me not do them something there, so me not.
You don't have no client. Come on, say stick to us.
When the blood clot you talk, but you don't see that dirty man, I'm tired, I'm for true.
Second time you catch me now. I want you to know
catch
you.
me.
You can't lie.
Me don't know what you talk about. Me just watch there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Me about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people. So the people them can't work, them hard working money and help me or do something for me.
No shit.
So
no.
come here, Shibada. Let me ask you a question.
Love you. Remember, you're the only girl we run off. You and Destiny are the only girl we run off on the internet yet. Yeah.
No, but you know me not care about the internet 18. Me,
No,
because
me know you only care about your clients. Your clients are Jayden.
I don't have no clients.
One thing though, you not make this a job you put you out. Like Volvo. You not give up. Jayden are your supervisor. Triple are your manager.
I don't know what you're talking about. Me and nobody don't clean the car. Don't tell a lie for me.
Shame in our life. Anyway, Sky Diamond, right? I want to buy Sky Diamond something for drink.
Buy her anything where you want, buy her, me dear.
I don't trust you. All of a sudden.
Well, if I saw, you know, I can't do nothing about it, my dear, because...
She hear them lay down this time, man. That nice, that nice. How can I hear that, Shane?
Burmese curl.
Oh, by name?
Burmese curl.
First time you hear them, used to come with muscles. Them used to take like Hannibal. I'm cool.
The blood clot this. Why?
Hey, girl, come here. Little from this, you know, them soon can't cuss about your nail take shot now, now. Oh.
Why you say that?
You can move out and see things.
No, me not move out. Alright, so me I stay until the government give me a next one.
Okay, the government get back for rent. Okay.
No, me not live off for government. Them give me the house and I'm going to get another one. So alright, so me I stay until I'm ready.
Then you carry attitude from Jamaica, go up there.
Of course, me entitled to anything. She remember me give her my dad, remember me sell my daughter for little and nothing, you know. I remember say she's a European, so me entitled to anything in a Europe.
If you sell it, you're not entitled to nothing.
Of course, me still entitled. It's my child.
After you, hey, Belgium never send for no eagle.
No. Well,
you want to sell foreign matters.
Well, me not coming out until it's time to blood clot leave.
Then all Destiny can't get a place like you.
That is him problem. Him not no ties to the country. Him never get pregnant yet.
Oh, you mean Destiny have no ties to the country the boy over there before you?
Over there before who?
Me just say, come.
No. Me there a long time before him. Him just come.
She did a long time.
Long blood clot time.
Pretty that number. Yeah. I mean, can't find pretty that in my contact. Pretty down. Pretty down. Pretty down. See there? Just got lost passing through.
Streets wouldn't trespass on my path for some lost girl. Check that song.
That's fine. See there? Truth is, my father was hunting me when I ended up here. Didn't mean to appear.
Check the banger. Go suck.
I'm wiped out by Victor.
Go suck. How is this, you know? How is this, you know?
You know nothing.
So we did them all pretty than wicked and naive.
Not even hurt.
Go have one another number.
What's her face time? Yes, you are good like that. Always at the pussy didn't reach, it's about to reach.
President said me not FaceTime. At one time one man I promote something. One time I take win the channel and put Pretty Dan and Camille from the channel. Pretty Dan you wicked. Pretty Dan you wicked. You wicked.
It's been a while, yeah.
Pretty Dan wicked, man.
Pretty damn wicked. Wicked. You remember Sister Winnie? And at this so the relationship start and stop. At this so the relationship pretty damn wicked. Say me and her FaceTime. Nobody around me never hear me and pretty damn attack it. Remember with Ling Ling? Remember me not do ya?
Bridget, me, come on, she can do it. Me a Tracer, I'm a Tracer. You understand me?
You're not Tracer.
Mother! Get your blood clot in yourself. You can risk your wheel. This is the reason why I'm left in the off. Because you have to work as a people talk about every feet of
Is it wicked here? Yeah. Wicked and make it butch.
They won't talk about you and nigga road in there. Little stuff.
Make it.
See them, the flip-floppy mode.
Make it butch. Pretty damn lie. Pretty damn send me and her FaceTime. Me and the little girl FaceTime. You see them say me can't like butch. Me eat them dirty butch, yeah. Me not like me eat them dirty butch, yeah. Yes, you guys did. Not me, my baby. Not me. Not me, my baby. Pretty damn wicked here. Pretty damn send me a van number. Me not even know pretty damn number because I know pretty damn reach a foreign. Me my pretty damn live that life. Pretty damn too wicked. But anyways, we don't come for talk about that. We come for talk about continue the topic with she a clean card. If she a clean card, then of course the people who wear a clean card. What other lies pretty damn won't tell? Make it make sense. What other lies pretty damn won't tell? We're comfortable how she give handsome gunman them a run for them car clean and pretty than Sky Avenue, Street Lane and Avenue, pretty than a clean car. We're comfortable about that.
This year draws near, and the beginning of a new one approaches. I ask you for discernment to live well each day.
Yes.
Still before me. May nothing be lived on autopilot.
Why this so-called individual stop send me request? May I me pull it out.
Decisions are strengthened.
Why them boy fascinating though. Them little people I find me fascinating, you know. What you must say about request again, sir? Sorry. Oh my God. Them little boy just love me so. This man really want me.
Write amen in the comments and share it with someone else.
One thing with man really want me. Man can't get enough of me.
Alright my people, so the live before that one here was last night. You see me I said the live you know at this morning. So we can watch some more and then we are going to move on to the next.
I'm so sorry. She be a year long though, like my clit. A year long like my clit. Every time I bend down for people, my whole take up gravel. Like it's on construction site. That's why I can't like pretty than too outer than. But me tell you what we do like with pretty than. She need for pay and some gunman them an apology. She pretty than do Sky Diamond come and bust it up, you know. Sky Diamond come and bust it up and the people in the app wicked to pretty than. Imagine pretty than get up religiously every morning and chat people we don't know. And don't go like when I'm fascinated over what the girl I say. We can plug in a phone we can get to for that charge. When I go like when I'm fascinated with what the girl I say, and for the girl birthday, when I set up the girl, for the girl birthday, they don't have to wait pretty than cake, they went there, you pick them teacher, give them school project. Pretty than cake by in a Walmart and pretty than come out. The amount of stars that they put up on pretty than cake, it favor wrapping paper. Then you can tell me the truth, no, I'll pretty than make a shirt fit, I like figure it out, dance in them. You know you don't have the back down, no pretty than make a shirt shot. And then pretty than no used to closing and look how long she said she there in Florida. I hope you saw the button lad there when they pretty than sing for choir. Pretty than put the little shirt from up here so me when they should just get the kitchen work. No, but on the line here, tell. come out like the long time cartoon from my grandfather days when he had silver she favor Moonstar of Limbo.
I reminded my ex to take our child.
And the people them were wicked to the poor child. And pretty that from here on the internet until now is a cheer. You put your kid on a cheer. After you know better than a fridge star.
Do what she said. Let go of her arm.
Luckily, the man
And you have one and me I wonder if you think you look good.
afterwards.
Me just wonder when you see you dress up, you know, pretty that me I wonder if you think you look good, you know yourself, you know. Me I try to read your thoughts. Because you're there for the year, you know, me in my this and me in my that. And me I wonder if people really are follow, you know.
Carefully for our date. It had been so long that I felt my
Me just don't wonder if people really did that follow you.
connection grew fast and deep. We were locked in that room until the clip
I just saw me ask him and I throw with my Auntie Daphne! Auntie Daphne! Yeah.
So I said, no,
Discover! Yeah. Then come in and shade because she made King scream last night, you know. She made King scream last night. Shame, I'm gonna look and check it out. Number 1, hats off to Jayden. I want to with Jayden in pass and bless him, you know. Jayden pass and bless him. She must be asleep. A night at the ocean. She must be asleep. She was that tired. No man, she made King scream last night. Yeah, King upset last night. And she over there chat with Shabada. King nobody not for chatting. Remember Yana nobody? Remember Yana nobody not for chatting King. You just vexed. You're obsessed with me King and me not do girls. You're obsessed with me. Me don't know what you want with me na King, but me not give that good old way my have, you know. Oh. Me don't know what you want with me. You see shape and life with me, you start through tantrum. Nobody enough to talk to me, King. King, where you want to lock me down? Move your body, man, blow that beat, you see? And that beat, you know. But you look like me, you're going to do, because my gap are open back. Yeah, me, you have space now, more.
Yeah.
Can you imagine how the sex are go wide?
The one that come.
Just judge how the sex are go wide, King. And you really want to come out? I thought we should have this shit whole heap of time. The difference between you and I is this. You come on the internet with family. You never come on the internet with nobody. Oh, you notice last time when me I talk, I saw no stand for shake. I mean, those the people like you that out there. Me know people like you that out there. So I say stand for shake. I don't want to talk there and back. I know, but she bought this so many times. I not this shit yet because of you as a hot girl do aid work. And you are the CNA work. Oh, for your hot girl.
Yeah.
I don't know how you at your Adi is a wagon. I don't know how your Adi shape like a chariot. Oh, and you come and hype and nobody not drive hatchback Adi again, King. Move from yourself with your lease me deal.
Thinking of what I'm at is a job, so.
I can't. No, no, for true. Him hype too much. Yeah, you're mad. And you're combo. No, Miss McIntyre, but I'm a lie. Nobody now drive no hatchback wagon. And you're hype. A King alone, I see both over. All this I report my life after I put on my lipstick. King I suck your mother.
Run up when I see me and see you. Run up when I see me and see you.
Mommy, I missed the bus. Mommy.
Come here, go see what you're going to do. I repeat about mine pitney. You run not have your offices Jets mine in pitney them. Jets mine them. We dey on TikTok Mr. Jets got every school function. Which one I go? When we talk, which one of them we see you go quote because I lose the pin them to the highest farmer carelessness. Talk truth. And the only reason why you did want to pin them a clout to on the internet when you say matching pyjama. But you know the next thing we're going to Rose. His spotlight where Hakim did want Jakes get it because Uno did want come out in a matching pyjama, but Jakes beat Uno. So you're bitter. Let me tell you what you do. You use a sad story then to try to justify every situation. You see now when things not go your way, you come ball and say your mama this, say your mama that. And if your mama did eat your other day, your woman would come back and tell say Merry Christmas, I love you. You're bitter and sour. And your bitterness make you wait now good on. So if a child did humble, you wait till they decline like when you go in an airplane and you recline the seat back, you wait till they go back. But because you're full of bad mind, your life now go forward, it they go back and then
my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. And watch out my people, Kiki and Rosealee in a fight, who are going to win? Tell me in the comments. Me would have pick. Alright, so there's a difference in my people. Cause if I now want a ring, I would have pick Rosealee. But outdoor, I would have pick Kiki. Because Kiki, you know, can stay far and feed Rosealee with some big stone. But in a ring, you know, Rosealee hold Kiki, he can't get to it. Rosealee, I go pop him up. So, let me know what you think. Make watch somewhere.
so they go back and I saw you wait to come on. Yeah. You go say Kiki, go look content, the content is you. When you come out on internet, me come on for your name. See, I'm like, come come by here, so come tell you, say, man, grind me, take back your $8,000 and left me a Airbnb, me gonna content. So when people say, oh man, take back $8,000, content me go, no, I mean, not feel no way about it, me embrace it. That is the reason why when I see screen recording and I see people they rub me over there, y'all never see Kiki in a comment section and defend herself. Move for yourself. You pay down for you one little bit was so rotten. How much you want G walk? It keep for Hakim girl no make no sense because you say you're a top girl, you're an independent girl, you could have do that yourself. Let me tell you how boss bitch work and how real girl move Rosealee. You see when there's that girl, you see money where you afford that yourself. Me in a stage of rich in a life now, the money where we have, anything where we can afford for ourselves, we don't want a boy buy give we have to big up triple. You see how solitary deal with triple, how much lion span her birthday and deal with her. You can't say here's that girl that you spend more. Girl, move for you so you big and sink like. You need to go cut off some my fat them off for you. How bad. You so you can't clap no Rosealee. How the fuck you say you're that girl and you're that girl and you give when man if you ask me what you give me say nothing. The only thing I can put on the table is my tight soul and my energy sometimes. And I could have greatness in a life and more too. Of course sometimes my attitude get too dirty. 300,000 you could have buy 2 sheets set in a coats or one China man and change your curtain in the think. You didn't even do Christmas cleaning. Think for Rosealee. If I was you, I'd go pre for 2026. Pre how me can wash up because under your sour. Me not ask if Jakes no regret you. Yeah, Jakes big regrets. Jakes no hurt now. Jakes must have wonder when they sip on you. Sometimes when Jakes think about you, you want vomit. And Jakes can never ever go back to you. And when a Jakes birthday 31st, and if you can't get Jakes, and I feel like I go make blood class or something. Because when a Jakes birthday, Jakes have to come and me I come pick up in birthday gift, I will come back and see you. And me I come back and see you. And me I go see what you go do because when you run up, me flatter you. Yeah, run up. A series of one series you go get. Run up when I see me and see you.
Mommy.
Run up when you see me and see you.
Mommy, I missed the bus. Mommy.
Here's a low life girl, Rosealee. Here's a low life girl.
I sure will. Now that Timmy's back in school.
You know, no class. Christmas come and every girl change your curtain. Me not care what you want, so if you buy a house or whatever Christmas, like in your room, supposed to think. And I ask me, In this are supposed to frowns from Rosealee start TikTok I want dirty pink curtain. Christmas come and you could take it down. So me leave water for your mother and Rosealee. But you feel like more tell for go sada, you know. Cause they're too big and careless. I mean not give a fuck go buy a house yes or whatever. Same like how you go buy a cabana for 300,000, you could have buy 2 sheets set in a coats or 1 China man and change your curtain. In the think. You didn't even do Christmas cleaning. Rosealee.
You want to enter the chat? Every blood clot time me and the Nyamisha in a story. I notice how you ever want to enter the blood clot chat. And I see one screen card which I talk about. I only when Akim is unavailable. Me talk about the butler. Kiki. Akim is never unavailable. Never. He's never unavailable youth. Never. I went to vex. Never unavailable yet. Never. I can call him anytime and get him. Never unavailable yet. Never. That gentleman don't want me to vex for 24 hours. Never unavailable yet. Never. Yeah. Never. Unavailable yet. Well, I mean, I want the man been soaking an eye, you know. I mean, I go about my business later. Yeah, Kiki, the one never unavailable yet, man. Never. Him never unavailable yet. It's just like, it's just that I like the man them space. I don't like run behind a man. I like the man space because sometimes I like take my space. So, if you see him today, I don't see him tomorrow. Probably we see him all the next day or so. Or if I want him, I'll call him. Or when I want me, I'll call him. I'm never unavailable yet. When you're there with me, I keep them on the road all day. When you're there, Kiki with me, I keep them on the road all day. You have errands to run away upon the road all rascal out there. Him never unavailable yet. And for me as a Gemini, we don't chase or replace. If him unavailable, we just replace him. So, the thing is, miss, no fisher. Mind your own business. Me as a Gemini, I don't chase. Me not beg, me not chase, me not run.
Alright my people, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I watch some more, I don't talk too much, you know what I mean, so make we get back in it.
Behind you. So you not use me, I'm gonna look somebody else fine. You know it's already Kiki, but you're Gemini, you're supposed to know that. Kiki, me a Gemini, you know so when we like a person, we're all out. And when a boy not use, we not use them either. Like when Jake's not use you, you not use him back. So when him come back around and I try to use it, you shun him. That's how we stay. So, me and you stay the same way. So what the fuck you come at pan social media talk about when I'm unavailable? But enough. I chat too much, I want to be enough. You like to squeak like a mouse. Kiki me not gonna do this New Year come, I'm not gonna content blood clot though. You can't tell me when me for eat my baby father, when me for dislike him, or when me for rub him out. You know, I put on it, my baby father. I never say your own, I say my own. You can't tell me when for argue with him, when for tell him some suck pussy, when for tell him some lick up batty, when for dip up underneath him nasty blood clot. I can do that whenever I want to, at any given time. I'll put my dead blood clot dead. You know what I say? My baby father, where you're one day? Cause you bitches all up in my business, you know. And when me I go to them like, I tell you something, look up at this, no. I sparks me a feet. Spark facts me a speak. What you're one day? Make your one enter the chat so me can get some for chat to our clout here, look. Wait, kinda magnum. You can't tell me to talk about my baby father. I can talk about as long as I want. But notice how what yeah? You want to enter the chat. Always man me a ball over money. I always man our money, me have whole lot of things I think about. My kids them always want me to move. My kids them always want me to move. And the day and the time and the day when the day and the time and the opportunity are come, I cannot move with them. Oh, excess is supposed to make me feel. Oh, but so long I explain everything to you. When I'm ready, man, me want to move. And when the day and time come for me actually move, them can't around me. Because certain circumstances, them have to talk why. I don't know already. Them not can talk about our money. Every day I rank on TikTok. Me no in a kind story. Me no need for bad for kind. If me want kind so badly, me put on one tights. Put on one tights and turn on my music and whine and shake what me have. And look it. If me want kind, me have a whole power to get kinds. Me no need for bad feet. More kind so badly, me get creative. Not for people business, me not chat for kinds. Me just go get creative. Me go look something. Me go put on one crepe. And put on one tights and dry it up underneath my body when me have a body and slung and quint it so. I make it full up the FYP. Go put on my pink heels. I want kind so badly. Don't freshen yourself. Me have my problem them like me a human being who have whole heap of problem. Like everybody else, I'm in a iron. Some people wait until them don't work, them got them here go ball. Me they a work and then me feel some trouble with so me a ball with them a people them. Any girl like it comes suck me out for 2026, 2027 and 2000 blood clot 28. Me have fix the side of the edges, yeah. Hold on then now, hold on. Me notice from the other day. Toto want Me notice from the other day, Kiki want enter the chat. Kiki, come here. I'm not from what here. You want enter the chat. Me notice from what here. You want enter the chat. Every blood clot time me and the Nyamisha in a story. I notice how you ever want to enter the blood clot chat. And I got, I see one screen card which I talk about. I only when Akim is unavailable. Me talk about the butler. Kiki. Akim is never unavailable. Never. He's never unavailable, youth. Never. I will vex. Never unavailable yet. Never. I can call him anytime and get him. Never unavailable yet. Never. That gentleman don't want me to vex for 24 hours. Never unavailable yet. Never. Yeah. Never. Unavailable yet. Well, I mean, I want the man going soaking an eye, you know. I mean, I go about my business later. Yeah, Kiki, the one never unavailable yet, man. Never. Him never unavailable yet. It's just like, it's just that I like him on them space. I don't like run behind a man. I like him on space because sometimes I like take my space. So, if we will see him today, I don't see him tomorrow. Probably we see him all the next day or so. Or if I want him, I will call him. Or when I want me, I will call me. I'm never unavailable yet. What you do with me? I keep up on the road all day. What you do, Kiki, with me? I keep up on the road all day. You have errands to run out upon the road, all rascal out there. Him never unavailable yet. And for me as a Gemini, we don't chase or replace. So if him unavailable, we just replace him. So the thing is, miss, no fisher. Mind your own business. Miss a Gemini, I don't chase. Me not beg, me not chase, me not run behind you. So you not use me, me go look somebody else, fine. You know that already Kiki, but you're Gemini, you're supposed to know that. Kiki, me a Gemini, you know, so when we like a person, we all out. And when a boy not use, we not use them either. Like when Jakes not use you, you not use him back. So when him come back around and I try to use you, you shun him. That's how we stay. So, me and you stay the same way. So what the fuck you come at on social media talk about when I'm unavailable or enough? I chat too much, I want to be enough. You like to squeak like a mouse. Kiki me not gonna do soon. New Year I come, I'm gonna look content blood clot though. You can't tell me when me for eat my baby father, when me for dislike him, or when me for rub him out. You want me put on it, my baby father. Me never say your own, me say my own. You can't tell me when for argue with him, when for tell him say him suck pussy, when for tell him say him lick up body, when for dip up underneath him nasty blood clot. I can do that whenever I want to, at any given time. All pa my dead blood clot bed. You know what me say, my baby father, where you're one day? Cause you bitches all up in my business, you know. And when me I go to me like, I tell you something, look up and this and no. I sparks me a feet. Sparks facts me a speak. What you're one day? Make your own enter the chat so me can get some for chat to or a clout here look. Wait, kinda magnum. You can't tell me to talk about my baby father. I can talk about as long as I want. And if I want to go silent, I can as well. I'm my baby father. What you mean by anytime Akim unavailable? My text said Panjix. Me not understand you. Akim is never unavailable. Never. Never. Never unavailable. Never. And a blood clot available. Any day man available, him get replaced. Oh! I'ma tell him that. Me say the day you get, any day you go unavailable, I'ma start CLS. You get replaced. Come in and run behind the people. And my viewers over here see the point that I make.
Alright, my people, so when you hear Rosealee say, right? Me here say appear bad blood in the camp right now with the fantastic them, because Rosealee is a person where it's like them can't control and talk to. And the other day when the whole celebration when them I do the dinner or something, Dyema must did end her live and go chat Rosealee with somebody else and people. So me I hear say boy a problem in the camp, but me I go make you hear what King Donor them have to say, because them a say them buy chain and a 3 chain buy and Rosealee no get none. Remember say no 3 of them in the crew, so our 3 chain buy. But what me can say about that still, remember say Akim by Rosealee a bed set. So you know what I mean, she wouldn't get no chain if she get a bed set. But let me know what you think, make watch some more.
My viewers over here see the point that I make. When him don't come here, I find live and do other things with other people. You know see that? When him don't come here, I play with somebody else and fuck around. You know see that? Because I don't chase, I replace. Some a boy now use me, fuck him, and I use him back. But me and Gemini, I will know that, you know, but that's enough, you want enough, up in my business. But that 2 words more you tell Jakes, mine him pitney. Mine him blood clad pitney. 2 words, mine your pitney. Mine your pitney. Then, the story will finish. And so they can look on Jakes and tell him, say, mine him pitney would do have no argument. Because it's not about me and him. And who him want do that who me want take. I have a boy just done fuck me last night and me decide him have to go a morning, him have to come out of my blood clad house, come out of my brain and come out of my ear space. Me easy for trigger off. You there long round me I do want something, I say, hey, me ready. I saw me stay. So no boy can't go unavailable for me. Why me get so hot? All of a sudden, So, my heart, man. The man gonna start smoking and the man gonna start smoking. Yeah. She too look with her love and chat too blood clot much. No chat. And them not the baby father. Want to them baby father. Every time in a blood clot mind, every time in a argument with my so cocky one, them always want to come argue with me. Me notice the girl empire. Anytime I argue with my nyam fuck one, them ever want to argue with me. Anytime you see me Rosealee will argument with my nyam pussy baby father, them ever want to argue with blood clot me. Any single time, like, I talk about my fathers anytime as I want. And my baby father on the phone, I class him anytime I feel like. If I wake up a man and class, if I wake up a man and see him out the road and start to class him, I can. Who can stop me? The AC one clean and my soul move, so I'm not look on it. What about that? That drip all water. The more I wake up and class in my morning, I can talk about him as long as I want to. Till me decide to chop anytime. And he can talk about me as long as he wants to anytime. We have kids together. What hours I got chat about one another. There's no way he can walk away from me. We're not there, but we're not there, but we can't come out of one another. We can't come out of one another life. We share a band, thinking girl, kind of like in the talkings with people. And if you are fuck him, you can't stand from talk about him. You can't stand from ring him phone and say, Shan or Barbara or whatever you do. Any man who fuck me can't stop that either. You know how I will have privilege to call me if I don't want to answer the phone. And me have hours of the privilege to call him and if I don't want to answer the phone. You know what I say? I don't know. Look, me I looking back, I'm just tell you the honest truth. Me have hours of the privilege to call him at any time. Because we share kids together. Kiki and New Year come out me Kiki and New Year no come out me blood clot baby for the store and go look content. Store and go look content. Store and go look content. Available for who and blood clot unavailable. And a tree now run on my blood clot face and a donkey now bite me and a cow about me. If a boy now use me replace him. When me young in my blood clot things, Kiki asked to have 3 or 4 man, I'm gonna keep 1 man. Oh. I'm gonna keep 1 man. When me young and I have man, me not keep 1 man. A 3 and 4 man me keep. Cause one fuck himself, I'm have to leave. I'm not run behind you. I'm here sit down and pretend when me say like I don't even egg blood clots this. And when me finish, me finish. And when me done, me done.
There seems to be some talking that is going on in the Fantastic Four and information is given out. So I would like to play the audio, okay?
Thank you.
I came to present it. Then I said, my friend, don't do it. And she didn't like the idea of her friend tell her the truth and she had an attitude. And then I call her better friend and chat out to Rosealee nasty. Wait,
did this Stacey just...
Stacey information.
Stacey always get insider information. I realize that.
I choose Stacey something, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to kill my blood clot whistling bird.
Could you please replay the audio?
I get theme present. Rosealee in that bucket on and up and down. Put the car key in your pocket. And all when Dyema said, drum roll. Rosealee can't turn when I look on Dyema. I present the chain. Got 3 chain by a 4 in the blood clot crew.
Okay.
3 chain by a 4 them in the blood clot crew.
Alright my people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Make you watch some more. You hear them say Rosealee don't get no chain, but she get the bedroom set as me say my people, so them would buy a chain and a bedroom set for Rosealee. You know what I mean? So that would be too expensive gift. You see me? And as me say, me think the youth them buy the chain for themselves. That me think my people. That is just my opinion still, but let me know what other thing.
Chainless. You never have no blood clot out chain for rope on the blood clot ball.
Chainless to
when I walk and take up people business, I couldn't have people to run blood clot, chicken back and dumpling board.
take me off of the floor today.
But you have your opinion and we have ours. Come suck me. And the one my injection, may I joke up your blood clot.
Telling you, they could listen my opinion. It's a fantastic for you as the breadwinner should be the first one to put in your purchase for your train. Whether or not your neck big, we see bigger than you and they have chain on their neck every day. They could have
senseless, be careful of what you're saying, because you see bigger chain than hers. Any bigger chain you see than hers is gonna be cow chain.
Well, it still fits on something, but they could ask her what's the next size and make a chain for her.
But she get a bedroom set, Your Honor.
Yes, I saw that she get a brand new bedroom set. But listen, allegedly, I've heard that the butler said that the bed set is she purchased the bed set and acting like that's what the butler said. Listen, Your Honor. That's what.
Do you have a screenshot of the bed? Do you have anybody have a screenshot of the bedroom set?
Donna, could you find that for me, please? I
certainly can.
Yes, do that for me, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're saying that she purchased her own bedroom set?
That's what the butler, which is her baby father, said.
So she's not just only a man clown, but she's a man boo-boo?
Maybe.
So you're telling me she's feeding the family, but also feeding herself with a little gravy that left?
Yeah.
They are terrible. They are really terrible.
And also,
I bought my baby girl a bedroom set for her new place, because we don't know, yeah, she get a new place. So I'm gonna buy her one bedroom set, and this is the bedroom set that I bought. So it come with bed, it come with dresser, it come with dresser jar, it come with night table, and yeah, baby, that's about it.
You think him lock him up?
But Your Honor, hold on. I want to show you. I would like for you to see Dyema's reaction of that's the bedroom set. Okay?
Yes. Oh my. Oh my. Why me see Dyema age before me see her? Oh my.
Yeah, go get here morning early. You first I get it.
So you're telling me, what you're talking about? So you're telling me that I think they need to lock him up. So you're telling me you buy her a bedroom set with no bed head? Lock him up.
No,
lock
the
him
bed is...
Lock him up. I said lock him up. Is the definition of wickedness. Lock him up. Lock him up.
Look up.
So you're telling me everyone is gonna sit down?
She get one bigger picture frame.
Yes, and she get.
And the bed come with bed head.
listen to me, cause you guys not talking right now. Listen, she get a brand new bed set, 2 iPhone, but the butler said his child don't need.
Who is the butler? Who is the butler?
Her baby daddy goes by the name of Jakes. Listen.
Her baby daddy is the butler?
Yes, that's what she called her. So listen to me now. The butler said the kids don't need the iPhone. Maybe one of them is going to use one of the phone that the stepfather purchased. But the butler said is an iPhone.
What size
15.
is the bed? What size is the bed? Because remember, this is a big individual we're talking about. What size is the bed?
I think it is a use.
Queen.
That can't fit her. That can't fit her. So that definition of wickedness. That is the definition of wickedness. And that's why I'm telling you, he needs to be locked up. He needs to go to jail. Lock him up.
But
and
Your Honor,
understand, extra security, lock him up.
Your Honor, please.
Release him back the next morning.
Your Honor, please give me please. What I want to suggest is, there's a new apartment for her, right?
No, I heard it's a king size bed now.
I heard she get a new apartment.
And you think she's in the state of mind to be living by herself?
No. I don't think so. Because if she never get a chance to go to the zimmies and she come back to the bath and shower and cuss the man like how you guys are saying. Imagine when she live by herself. When he's no one around to cuss with, what she gonna do?
So she can't live by herself?
No. I suggest she just stay where she are. She'll be okay, you know. But
no, listen, Your Honor, remember that her ex is living right in front of her gate. They can't work together. So he cannot work. She can't stay there.
Judge?
I'm listening.
I allegedly heard that she also got charged.
For what?
I'm not sure, but that's what.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section and make you watch some more.
Screen recorded, right?
What she got charged for?
Listen, she got a phone charger. Sorry, a phone charger.
You know, so now you have me.
Whoa, where charger for? Where charger for?
She never has a good charger, so it make it his pinter duty to buy a brand new charger because
for Christmas.
Yeah.
The only thing Rose get I want picture frame for Christmas. I want like what she can't get.
She get listen to gift. She get a brand new iPhone charger, 2 iPhone 13s, a bed set, and a picture frame.
Your Honor, you want to hear me?
Wait, give me one. So the price she spent for the chains and all those stuff, she could have used that same money and get all that bed set down at town.
I know she buy everything. I know she buy everything. I know she buy everything.
I thought they said she buy a chain.
She buy watch, Your Honor, watch.
What?
Oh God.
Objection? I think it's the same watch that our fellow content creator has.
Yeah, it's a famous watch, but listen to what I have to say, Your Honor. And please just listen to me good. I think she need therapy.
What therapy would you suggest?
I think she need serious therapy, and if nobody don't see it because she's getting out of control towards her baby father, I think she need therapy, and I think if she don't get therapy soon, the internet is just gonna feed her what she like, and it's gonna get out of control, and somebody's gonna get hurt.
You know what I think she need, to be honest?
Therapy.
No, I think she need therapy, you know, but I feel like she need love therapy. She need to get the difference between love and use.
I think she deserves anger management too as well.
No, she need a cocky therapy too, you know.
You think that's really the problem?
Yeah, I think she need a cocky therapy because she obsessed with... She need a cocky therapy, man.
Your Honor, I think Dyema is to be blamed also.
For what exactly?
Yeah.
Your Honor, I think Dyema is playing a slight little hypocritical role with her, and she's just want to say she's friend, but she's not telling her the truth, and it's getting out of hand to the public of Tictonian.
So you're saying she know everything that's going on, but she plays a blind eye?
And listen, Your Honor, things like that is showing. You know why? Because screen record are getting some proper views on how she's responding to what Rosealee is saying, and also her gift that she's getting. Her face expression is saying a lot.
So you're saying the people is seeing the truth within her face?
With her expression.
Most definitely.
Most definitely.
Picture can say 1,000 words, Your Honor. And it's saying one thing 1,000 times. Hypocrite.
So you think I should lock her up, or should I give her a test run and see where it ends up?
I think you need to take her into custody for a questioning. I think you need to take her into that room.
Miss Lady, you know yourself. Allegedly, you have a warrant out for your arrest, and I need you to come to the public nearest police station and report.
Long time we have Taffy, but we don't want to bring up Fame case because Fame case right now is very...
That man, big up.
I don't think Taffy case is a big case to bring up on TikTok for this week.
So
Taffy is living a good, comfortable life.
So now, like how the Fantastic Four is out of the picture, now we're gonna have the Three Musketeers.
Okay, it's now to the Three Musketeers.
Right.
So is it that we're gonna work with 10 case?
10-point case.
I saw
so basically 10-point case is he move on with the artist lady, right?
Seems like, because I have seen on a screen recording they have been having breakfast. Allegedly. They are having breakfast in the morning. So what you guys think about that? Big breakfast? Just so on the media. And the interview said, if you watch what the interview, when Jeffrey said, so you're Charlotte, I thought the answer was no.
So what happened to Miss Lady who always telling the truth about relationship?
Okay?
Yes, what happened?
She's now moving on with an artist, allegedly.
Allegedly. I don't think the artist that they are saying, I don't think it's that artist. And I don't think that person is the artist. He probably has a familiar look, but I don't think it's the artist that they are allegedly saying.
So allegedly, the two married couple moves on to two artists?
Yes, and Ten decide that he's going to settle down with Shauna is gonna settle down with 10 because there's no more song that is going on. It's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So now they're together. We gotta have to just settle with that case and allow them to stay together.
Anyways, but remember on the interview, 10 stated that there was no relationship.
So you're blind? You not see them together now? You not see breakfast having?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, wait for lunch and dinner?
Maybe.
You're and they are together and the argument closed.
Close.
Well, the only person can get sorry for in this situation is the truth lady, the lady that always telling the truth.
Yeah.
Well, I guess she tell her truth out of the relationship.
She's okay with it.
She's doing fine now, and I think she has charmer from artists. I don't think she will go back down.
As long as she's happy and they move on peacefully, I think they should be all right.
She's now okay with it, Your Honor.
She's okay with it.
She's now okay with it. So
that's wonderful.
I guess 10 move on with, now we have a series with 10 and Shauna. So we just have to live with it over TikTok. And I truly approve it because they both go through a lot and now they're settling down with their one another.
Okay, and I stamped it that it can go on too. We will look further.
They have strong chemistry.
Okay,
so what I want to ask, didn't the artist and the love lady married, right?
They decide to divorce now and she signed the paper.
So when are the papers is going to sign?
I want to stamp the file and move on. We don't care about their marriage.
But me just tell you, Your Honor, we say we are going to pass that case now.
Yes, I'm talking senseless. No, we're going to stamp that file, keep them on eye checks, and any little misunderstanding happen in the relationship.
People, this is my prediction. I can be wrong still, okay? It's a prediction. But I think that the man them, somebody, I go take with a girl left from Tavi. Me feel like say Tavi no equip for that girl there. You see me, I say I can be wrong, my people. But me see the movements and everything, and me just feel like say somebody I go. Me know say people in the game already, you know. But somebody I go get a chance to kick with Tavi foot. That me think, my people. You see me? And Tavi no stable again, you know. He better protect his heart in a relationship. Because you see any girl with a big body, remember me tell her, if you know really stable certain way, a man I go kick your foot. Because big body girl are one of the most like sought after. And plus she have a cute face. Trouble in a paradise soon. That is just my opinion, people. Tell me what you think.
You guys bring it back to the court. Simple.
We have an artist.
They're happy, they're free. They're stopped.
We have an artist, Your Honor. We have an artist that is now have TikTok. That a TikTokian. She have not doing TikTok for quite a while now, but now she's pregnant.
Who is that? Go ahead.
Easy. Am I correct? Chat?
That's definitely correct.
Who you say? Tessa? Who you say?
Kizzy, she's the one that cut off her hair, went into an accident, tell the internet that she's going through depression. The internet have loaned her some cash. She have used that cash to do her body. And then move on now, doing YouTube with an artist. And now the artists have impregnated her, and now they're doing YouTube and family. They're making a family together.
A wonderful one.
The artist by the name of Kip Rich.
Yeah, that's right, correct.
Kip Rich that sing the song?
Yeah, that same one.
So he pregnant her?
Yeah.
He also have a bad reputation of don't like to mind his children's is
Oh
them.
my God. Oh my Jesus.
Allegedly.
Oh my God. Oh my Father God. What, Jesus Christ. What are you sending us into now, Mr. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Jesus, Father God, if you don't busy, come here. What is this bringing into the office now? Jesus Christ, baby, Jesus God. It's a serious can't find the milk situation, listen up. What do you mean he don't take care of his children?
Well, Your Honor, how many children does that artist have, Your Honor?
I don't really know.
Quite a few, Your Honor.
That's the feedback the people were giving, allegedly. So that's why he's saying he has a bad reputation, allegedly, of not taking care of his peer, allegedly. That's what the people are saying on the internet.
So you're telling me one allegedly is a scammer and one is allegedly a good baby daddy? I would like to put out this case on pending.
Moving on. Right along, moving on.
Who said Pretti that get locked up? For what? We don't know about that. Even if she get locked up, she can handle it because she a man. Anyway, Your Honor, moving on.
We're
moving on.
We're moving.
What I have gathered to understand, Your Honor. Watch this, how I know, this how I hotter than everything else, you know. I mean, never really want to bring up this side of quote, you know. Come here, Your Honor. Come here, Your Honor.
We're right here.
They want a hot. They must say on a TikTok business, but we have to talk.
Okay. Why you laugh about the joke before you give it? What's going on right here?
What's wrong with his internet?
Why is he laughing about the joke?
No, do me internet. No, do me internet. Give me a chance. Give me a chance.
What
Give
are
me
you
a
saying
chance.
now?
Allegedly, one of our co-worker, which is a staff. Your Honor, if I should get into trouble tomorrow morning, and if you don't defend me, I leave this up to me and my team for defending me. Done with you till me never deal back with you. done with you. Them
Go
ahead.
ahead.
Eh?
Go ahead.
All right.
I'll bail you. I'll bail you.
What kind of bail you talk about? Eh?
So what you talking now?
Senseless. Remember, we always go through them and see a war, you know, when war starts.
Yo, I'll tell you that.
Listen, you see when war starts on TikTok, you have to know, say, I defend me. If you defend me, I don't bother run with card. We can't put me trust in that. Him easy if you run when war starts, you know.
Let's go, man.
Alright, so we co-worker. Father God, do me a bigger.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think. I reckon watch some more.
Me love it for Christian, you know, but the family name them all call, you know.
Go ahead. John, find a rude boy.
Leave it alone if you want to leave it alone, sir.
Drop the file. Drop it. Alright. Wait. Don't drop it yet. Let me play the anthem for you drop it. Wait.
Time quote on incident say I keep people and send me some information. You see certain information. I'm a co-worker them in about me and them the people they are friend. Them all vexed with me, you know, that's why I not really want to do this.
It's on screen recording. What are you going to say?
What you mean if... No, another pan screen record.
Oh, if you don't have to, you don't have to.
Please.
Owner for that site there, and the owner would have never blood clot feature you, because you're not a body. Pussy, you're not a body. In America. You're not a body. You do OF, you start the OF after me. You can't compete, we don't fucking compare. You cannot compete, we don't fucking compare. You can't compete, we don't want compare. You never make $1 million fucking US dollars. You can't chat to me, bitch. You can't talk to me. Me not give a fuck with one of them bumbleclad Harry socks and say I want boost up. Oh, she look bad. I don't give a fuck about that. I don't care. Nobody cares. Just stop talk about me. Stop watch me. That's all. Stop talk about me and stop bumbleclad watch me. That's it. That is it. There? Stop watch me. Nobody no care which one I want to look better than me. None of one would never have my life and earn what me earn and have what me have. I don't know where tell me say, you look better than me and this better than me and that better than me. And when them talk about me, me not for talk back about them and me not for bring them down back. Because them for have all of the right for disrespect and call me down and do all sorts of things to me. Yes. Yeah. Tell her say for stop talk about me, you hear? Tell her say for stop talk about me. You hear? Tell your big pussy. Gonorrhea pussy friend say for stop talk about me. Gonorrhea pussy Ivany will shot Sheba's son. Tell her say for stop talk about me. Tell gonorrhea pussy Ivany say for stop. You have gonorrhea so till the man all of you tell us your pussy stink. You never realize you have gonorrhea if you go to hospital or if you go to doctor. You have your pussy a rotten so till the boy have to tell us your pussy a rotten dirty girl. Eh? You are going to watch my something and I talk say me can't get no man at all. What the fuck you mean me can't get no man at all? What you mean? Remember say you invent them type of behavior there, you know. The stinking pussy, you know, because you never did known for making money, you know. You're known for chaos, you know. From stinking pussy for taking people page, you know. Remember say Flavor kick you out our blood clot house before you have to run and go foreign after they shoot your bumbo clot. Remember that? You're known for crosses and drama and chaos. That's all people used to know you for Jamaica. Nothing else. Nothing else. You go foreign and you start look better. Not too better because your heart for blood clot fix. You shape like fridge. See me all when you do your body 2 times, right? You look like a fucking muppet in your face with a big bumper clot swell up lick them, right? And the people them start gravitate towards it because Jamaican people them frightened for people they are foreign. Nothing else, boy, yeah. Nothing else. Don't talk about me. Do not talk about me, bitch. Don't talk about me. Do not speak about me. I don't give a fuck who want to look better than me. Nobody not have no right to bring me down. And me I gotta bring them back down. Nobody cares. Everything is about looks when it comes on to you Jamaicans. Everything is about looks. Nobody don't give a fuck. When time then talk about people and bring down people, no say people bad mind them. Ivany is a dog shit. A dog shit. There I said it. There I said it. Yes. A dog shit. Yes. Go and go get her some money pan her OF so she can stop watch me pan cam soda. She can't stop sit down and start me. Go and give her some money pan OF so she can stop sit down and start me. That's enough for blood clot though. Go and go get her some money pan OF. Go and go get her some money pan OF. Go and go do that. Go and go do that. Nobody not afraid of who no crosses, you know. Remember this, you know, for follow trend. Anybody wanna see who favorite entertainer, them a run back on the run back of them. Me no give a fuck. Tell the big thinking old girl to stop talk about me. Tell her that. Tell her. Me come on the internet all the time without makeup. All the time. All the time. All the fucking time. Alright. But don't talk still. Don't talk. OJ they here. Nobody will me know from back then they hear more I want moderator for block some of them girl here. Off of my page. I can't forget the time when Ivany dep on me. Me dep on my cam so that me see people a come from my page. And me say where them people a come from. The bumbo clock girl a watch me. Who you dep on TikTok a hustle money from people and I watch bumbo clock me? What you watch me for? What the fuck you watch me for, bitch? Bro, bitch. What the fuck you watch me for? No, sir. No.
My people, tell me all the thing because they see that girl is still, you know. It's a girl who ease up off of people when they're wrong or still, you know, big woman thing, you know. But everybody if you know Ivany by now, I know say Ivany one big troll. Somebody sitting there when you go on with, it's just to get attention and views. You see me? But and everybody are gonna like that and bypass it still. You see it, so let me know what you think, my people, and make you watch some more.
No. I went OJ there. OJ there here. What is the worst part is that all this a bleach up, bust up by the blood clot fuck out skittle from down a mobile. That cake go suck your blood clot mother bust up by the blood clot girl. Me know you from some of bossy body girl. Girl, me used to see her walk through mobile, you busting a bumbo clot. All the sell you sell here and bleaching cream. All know you still pop down. Girl, go suck your blood clot, mother, move your stinking pussy blood clot from your so. Cause the whole of no bleach, no pussy stink, no bumbo clot. Move your bossy body blood clot from your so dirty girl. You somebody, bitch? You somebody? You bumbo clot, somebody dirty woman, you somebody? Eh? You somebody? When Ivany the over there bring me down the other night, the video they on my page right now. She did feel good, don't it? And she for bring me down, but me not for blood clot talk. Only for bring me down, but me not for bring her down back. Cause me ain't nobody. I lie now blood clot, tell you, hear? Stop talking about me, hear? Stop talking about me. If Ivany, the only fans I play with her pussy and the way she do. Tell her for the way she do and stop watch me, cause me I do this long time before she. You hear that? I mean never for bring down nobody and antagonize nobody. For make no money when me make for OnlyFans. Never have to. Never. And I did not do it with no cosign either. Me do that for my own. and get my ratings and my respect from the real OGs in the adult industry. I never had to come and talk about nobody and bring down no fucking body. You hear? Oh. The girl bad mind. She very, very bad mind. Ivany is a very, very bad mind girl. And the problem is that, you see, because them love careless people, them boost her up when she do these things to people. She walk and she trouble people. And nobody not trouble this bumbleclad thinking pussy girl. Nobody not trouble her. Nobody not trouble her. Nobody not trouble her. Nobody not trouble her. Nobody's troubling her. Nobody not trouble her. I plug in my phone. Remember this, you know, guys, me no play much, you know. Me just would come over here sometime and vibe or whatever it is. You don't want this big thinking old rotten old girl to walk and text it pan people. Walk and text it pan people. And nobody not trouble him. Nobody not trouble this girl. Nobody not trouble him. What she do to Rosealee? Cause me not really remember, you know, guys, me not really there over here, you know, my algorithm not really show certain things. So me can't really see where I'm over here sometime, right? My algorithm not really show certain things at all.